All right, hi ASL1. I'm going to go over real quick what is going to be on the test on Thursday. Um, First off, make sure you know all of the different family members. So we have mother and father, aunt, uncle, niece, cousin, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather. Remember myself and yourself. Husband and wife. So we have husband, wife, daughter, and son. I know these are fast, so go look over the other videos if this is too fast, or you can even slow this one down. Children. Remember we pat the heads of the kids. Okay, so I think that's about it for the family members that we learned. Don't forget how to say I am married or a wedding. Okay, those are two different ones. The wedding is like ceremony, the hands come together like this, and married is like this. Don't forget birthday. We have twins, like a T on both sides of your face. We have adult with an A. We have parents, father, mother. Let's see, teenager, make a T. Come down the side of your face like this, kind of like you did with adult, but with a T makes teenager. Boy, girl. We have friend, good friend, and then best friend. In-law. So if you're going to say your father-in-law, it's like this. Use the in-law right here. Step, so like this. Step mom, step sister, step. See that or not? Step. Then all your colors, make sure you know those. And that would be, we have 20 at the top of our test. It's just going to be straight vocabulary, where I'm going to just put out these signs and you're going to write down what it is. So try to learn how to spell these words. If you're not sure how to spell, it don't matter because there's a word bank at the top. Okay, but you're going to be writing them in right there. Remember the difference between homeschool, private school, public school, and you can put school at the end, or you can just do public school like this. Or I don't think I showed you on class, but residential school with I's, it kind of stands for like institution. And that's where a lot of deaf students are, right? Like they go and they live there. And this isn't on the test, but this is a residential school. Okay, I should have mentioned that class if I didn't. Remember the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. Remember our holidays. I'm not going to go through all those right now because I don't have the list in front of me, but just go back and look through all those holidays if you don't remember them. And remember your numbers. I'm going to expect you to be able to count to 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Remember with 16, 17, 18, and 19, you're doing 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, or 10, 9. A lot of people will do 16, 17, 18, and 19. Either way is fine. 16 or 16. I think that one's kind of hard to do, but 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20. Okay. Remember the difference between deaf, hearing, and hard of hearing. HH, bounce it for hard of hearing. So we have deaf, hearing, and hard of hearing. Remember your different emotions. You are happy or sad, excited, bored, sleepy, and all those. There's a video for those. Make sure you remember those emotions. And then a few of the other vocabulary words. There's one vocabulary word on here. Remember the word class. Okay. You can also do G for group, or you can do O for organization. But this is ASL class. Okay? I think y'all going to do fine. Make sure you look at your study guide for, there's 4 true-false questions on there about ASL in general, about the definition of what it is. Is it just English through sign language, or is it its own language? A hint right there. A couple of the ways you can get people's attention. And make sure you remember what listener's feedback is. Pretty sure I mentioned it in class, but let me just say it again just in case. Remember, when someone is signing with you, listener's feedback is when you're saying, ah, okay, oh, I understand, ah, yes, okay, that's called listener's feedback. And it's very important for effective communication in sign language. You don't sit there like a statue. You use listener's feedback. Okay? Check your bonuses. Make sure y'all know who law clerk is, and look up the other one that's on there about the university for deaf and hard of hearing students. And y'all are going to do great. Let me know if y'all have any questions.